world! I'm Mary the Knitting Developer, and welcome to Code Camp, where I talk about my life as a software developer. Last week, we talked about all kinds of learning resources. This week, we're talking about games that you can use to enhance your new knowledge. Alright, so you've got this coding thing down, and you want to practice your new abilities, your newfound superpowers? How about a couple of video games? Video games are a great way to unwind and reward yourself after long hours of practice. Here are a couple of my favorites. If you're looking for something that will teach you JavaScript, as well as allow you to level up characters, solve cool puzzles, gain new armor, then Code Combat's for you. Code Combat is a great game. They start you off with a couple of small commands you can use to move your character around. You solve the puzzle, you move your character from point A to point B. As you progress, you learn things like while loops and for loops. This game is a ton of fun, especially if you want to reinforce your newly created JavaScript knowledge. If you're looking for something a little more competitive, then Coding Game is for you. Here you get to choose your editor and language, and solve different algorithmic puzzles. Every month they do a competition where they rank you against all the other players in your language choice. During the competition, you'll have 3 hours to complete the puzzles, pass all the tests, and submit. You're ranked on the points you get from the test as well as how fast you completed it. Also, some companies use this as a recruiting tool. When you sign up for the competition, it'll ask you if you want to use this to get an interview with an interesting company. You'll choose the language that they're interested in and do the competition that way. The next one's April 25th. Finally, if you're looking to try out Vim, Vim Adventures is the way to go. As you may remember from my first episode, I switched to Vim after a horribly painful experience with my text editor. In Vim Adventures, you play the shadow cursor. As you move through the levels, you gain new keys, you get better at Vim. This is the most fun you can have while learning a text editor. If you're looking to try out Vim, Vim Adventures is a great way to go. That's it for today. Do you have any programming video games that you really enjoy? Let me know down below. Also, remember, March 5th, I'm talking about practical object-oriented design in Ruby by Sandi Metz. I don't think it's going to be a hangout. I haven't got a ton of response, but I'm still going to do the talk on it anyway. It's a great book. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join me again on Saturday for Saturday Morning Geekery and Tuesday for Craft Night. Here's the link to my blog where I talk about my life as a software developer, amongst other things. See you next week. Bye!